One of the more underrated benefits of testosterone therapy for women are the benefits that happen for women who are already killing it in the gym and putting forth tons of effort with their diet. They are, I mean, when you look at their outlay of a day in their energy and the amount of effort that they put towards their health and their wellness and their fitness, it's pretty impressive. And yet, they don't get the results that they're looking for. They don't firm up. Their arms aren't as tight as they want. Their legs aren't as tight as they want. They don't seem to be able to shed those last couple pounds of body fat despite what they do. Many times that's a suboptimal testosterone environment. While at the same time, their male counterparts could give a tenth of the effort, it seems, both in dietary focus and in effort in the gym, yet the fat just melts off of them. Many, many, many times, the only difference between these two people's reality is the level of testosterone. And so testosterone therapy has so many benefits, not just the disease prevention, which is amazing, and I love it as a physician, but it also in the here and in the now. How can I make an impact right now with how I'm feeling? Especially for my fit clients as women who are giving everything else that they need to be giving, the missing link, so to speak, oftentimes is a suboptimal testosterone.